Posting content without a plan gets messy fast. Deadlines slip, ideas get lost, and consistency drops. In this video, I'll show you how to create a content calendar in Airtable step by step in 2026 using a clean system you can reuse for any platform. All right, first, create a new base inside your workspace. Click Create a Base and choose Start from Scratch. Rename the base to something clear like Content Calendar or Content Planner. Now, set the rule. In this setup, one row equals one piece of content. That could be a video, a post, a reel, or a blog. One row, one item. And keep it simple. Next, create the essential fields. Add a content title field as text. Create a platform field using single select like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Then add a publish date field using a date type. All right? Now add workflow control, create a status field with options like idea, in progress, scheduled, and published. This shows exactly where each piece of content stands. Now add support fields. Create an owner field if you work with a team, or skip it if you're solo. Add a notes field for captions, hooks, or reminders. This keeps everything in one place. All right, this is the key part. Create a new view and choose Calendar View. Set the calendar to use your publish date field. Now you can see your content laid out by day or week. Next, add more views. Create one view filtered to show only upcoming content. Create another view for ideas only. Views help you plan, create, and publish without clutter. Finally, maintenance. Move published content to a separate view instead of deleting it. This keeps your calendar clean while preserving content history, and that's a complete content calendar in Airtable. Clear dates, clear status, and everything in one place. Once this is set up, planning content becomes faster and way less stressful.